Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Capabilities with Clayton, brought to you by Asset Technologies. We're excited to bring you guys a new capability. It's this unit right here. It's the Novar Opus RCC 1044 EEPR. It's a multi-function control unit that works with both refrigeration and display cases. The great thing about this is it's actually still supported by Honeywell Novar. However, if you have a unit that's outside of the warranty, we're here for you guys. So we developed the repair solution on this for you and your customers to make sure that you have the long-term support that you need. So if you do need a new unit, make sure you go to Honeywell Novar, or if it's in warranty, again, go to Honeywell Novar. Otherwise, we're here to support you. If you find yourself in need of outside warranty support on the RCC 1044 EEPR, give us a call here at the office or hit us up at our website, assettechnologies.us.